Men's 200 meters races for athletes with cerebral palsy at the 2004 Summer Paralympics were held in the Athens Olympic Stadium between 20 and 26 September. Events were held in 4 disability classes. T35. The T35 event consisted of a single race. It was won by Teboho Galagadi, representing South Africa. Final round. 26 September 2004, 21:05. T36. The T36 event consisted of a single race. It was won by Sawar Y, representing Hong Kong. Final round. 26 September 2004, 1800 hours. T37. The T37 event consisted of 2 heats and a final. It was won by Matt Slade, representing New Zealand. First round. Heat 120 September 2004, 10:10. Heat 220 September 2004, 10:16. Final round. 21 September 2004, 17:45. T38. The T38 event consisted of 2 heats and a final. It was won by Tim Sullivan, representing Australia. First round. Heat 123 September 2004, 10:20. Heat 223 September 2004, 10:26. Final round. 24 September 2004, 1700 hours. References.